distributed generation, demand response, data-driven solutions. BRASH is poised to meet today's challenges and empower tomorrow's opportunities. We've developed a unique micro-CHP system for home use. Our patented technology uses natural gas or propane, and in the future, hydrogen, to generate heat and power on demand, on or off the grid. A BRASH unit can be installed in the average basement or laundry room using existing supply lines and connections, converting neighborhoods into networks. On its own, or in tandem, with a solar or solar thermal array, a BRASH unit can automatically cycle on and off as household demand changes. Our smart controls allow our HVAC partners and utility operators to make adjustments remotely to resolve issues or respond to sudden changes in usage. BRASH President and Founder Michael Brookman offers this overview.
What we have is a patented engine cycle that is referred to as external combustion as opposed to internal combustion. And the most common example people can think of maybe is a steam locomotive, where you're generating a working fluid, steam, from the combustion of fuel. What we've done is modified the external combustion cycle using two components in a working fluid. And by using that, we can tune the power output, the capability of the engine, based upon the need by shifting to one component more than the other. This resides in the basement of a home and generates heat and power on demand. And it's the cleanest, best way to generate power and heat at the same time. We now have reached a key point in our development. We're no longer in the product development phase. From the quality of the equipment that you see behind me, we are now ready to launch.